Hi, this is Tom with CWC Supply and Pure Water Power. I'd like to introduce you to the Ultra High Mod Cobra water fed pole. This pole is constructed of ultra high mod, and what that means is it's the lightest, most rigid pole available on the market today. Combination of rigidity and weight, there is not a stronger pole than this one right here. The rigidity of this pole is ridiculous. This pole will almost stand straight up with no bend in it. This pole is constructed of 8 sections. It includes our Viper poly clamps with aluminum lever for strength on the weak point of the clamp mechanism. We include an angled gooseneck adapter with an Acme threaded tip, and a 12-inch Tucker dual trim nylon brush with 4 pencil jets. So it gives you the capability to run 4 jets with your water purification system. So also these poles include a length of Viper tubing. It's 1/4 inch ID, 3/8 inch OD tubing, and it includes a 60-foot stretch of this tubing with a brass female garden hose adapter to connect to your water purification systems. Now on this Cobra pole, the very top section is what we call a short pole, and whether you have the tubing running through the pole or on the exterior, you can simply just pull this top section out, drop the pole, and this will give you the ability to clean your lower level windows. So it's a great added feature for your lower level work. So on these poles, this pole again weighs 5.5 pounds. And it'll reach 47 feet with your body height. And we also give you the ability to extend these poles. So we have a Cobra Ultra High Mod 2-piece 10-foot extension. So it's 2 sections that you can simply just pop the bottom cap off the master pole and slide this onto the end, and now you've got a 55-foot pole. And then we have an EXT2, which will allow you to do it again. So it'll increase the 45 to a total of 65 feet. So this pole will grow with you and give you the capability to clean up to 65 feet and above. So on the master pole, each section from the 4th down, you can drop these sections if you're working on a lower level building that day. You can pop the sections off, and on the end of the sections 4 through 8, you have a rubber stop built-in end cap, and it's inserted about 1.5 inches into the bottom of the pole, and then has about a 1/2 inch cushion. So now you can, when you drop sections, you don't have to worry about protecting the bottom of the section that you pull out, or worry about having to put an end cap on it. It's built right into the pole. So you can take all the sections apart, but only the 3rd down has those built-in rubber end caps. This is the Cobra Ultra High Mod 45-foot water-fed pole manufactured by Pure Water Power. It comes equipped with a 4 pencil-jetted Tucker dual nylon brush. We have it hooked up to one of our single RO single-stage carts at 50 psi, and I'm getting 4 jet distance of about 12 feet. So basically, you can see you got a lot of water flow. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this window. I'm going to rinse it, scrub it down real good. Now as you can see, it's got plenty of water flow with 4 jets. And maximize water flow to get the job done. So this Cobra ultra high mod pole also comes with a short gooseneck that you can pull out of the top section for lower level cleaning. So you can drop that pole, now I can get to the lower level cleaning. So same process. And then rinse. So I can clean all your lower level windows without even disconnecting anything from the pole. So that's what you can expect with the Cobra Ultra High Mod Pole from Pure Water Power. Thank you and have a great day.